Hi everyone. So let's start making ragi cake. So first you have to take ragi flour 3/4 cup 2 times. To it you need to add some cocoa powder. I've taken 3/4 cup here. Add 1 spoon of baking soda and 2.5 spoons of baking powder. You can also add some salt for taste. Take half cup of butter or desi ghee. So here I've taken desi ghee and I've heated it a bit. Now take 1 cup of jaggery. So first I've taken half cup. I've added hot water to it and I've mixed it thoroughly. After that I've again added half cup of jaggery and some water to it. Once you get a lighter consistency, add desi ghee to the mixture. Take 1/3 cup of curd and add it to the mixture. So here I've taken half banana and I've added it to the mixture. Now you can add the batter in the tin and give it a good tap. Now place the tin in a preheated vessel for around 40 minutes. So do try this cake at home and let me know in the comments below if you liked it. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you next time. Bye.